Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in today's video we're going to show you the two main things you must consider when setting up a Facebook ad campaign. Just before we dive into that though, make sure you hit that like button down below, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for ongoing tutorials about digital marketing. With that out the way, let's jump in. The first thing that we want to consider when setting up a campaign, once we've clicked on the green create button, is choosing the right campaign objective. So you need to think about whether you want to convert people straight away and get online sales for your business, or if you are just looking to generate leads who may turn into customers later on. In this example, I want to get people that are leads who I want to speak to first, try convert into a customer. Once we've done that, we want to select continue, and this is now going to set up a draft campaign for our Facebook ads. Now, once we've done this, we want to come into the new leads ad set section, and this is going to give us the second consideration, which is the conversion location. Where do you want people to go in order to turn into a lead? My recommendation would be to send them to a website if you have a nice looking website that is designed for conversions and optimized for it. If you are not so sure about how effective your website is, keep it to the instant forms. And if you are not sure about either or, you want to test them both, you have a nice website, but you also want to test the lead forms, select website and instant forms, and then that way there can be a split test to determine which one is more effective. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you get around to creating a good instant form that is close to identical with the questions asked on your website form. With that said, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing digital marketing tutorials like this one. Have a fantastic day, everybody, and take care.